Well, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your text messages are sending to group members individually on your Android phone. So let's just go to our messages, and somewhere in here there should be an option to go to your settings. So on my Google messages, just tap on the top right, go to your profile picture, scroll on down, go to message settings. Then we want to go all the way down to advanced. Then we got group messaging right here. And we can decide now, it says send an SMS reply to all recipients and get individual replies back, so a mass text. So you want to select this one, send an MMS reply to all recipients. So just select this one, and it should send everything together instead of individual text now. So you should be good to go with that simple setting change. So if it's still giving you an issue, you could try just downloading Google Messages too. So go to the Google Play Store, and then go to the top and just type in messages right here, and then get Google Messages on your phone. So you might have like Samsung Messages, whatever default one they use. This one is the default on my Google Pixel phone, Google Messages. And then it should be the same thing how I just showed you how to set this up. So you're going to have to set the default messaging app now, set it to Google Messages, and you should be good to go. And it should fix your issue.